Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. Are you into cooking with wooden spoons? I bet you don't have any that are as cute as mine from MyFancyCraft. Every time I go to use these spoons, I automatically feel like smiling. That's because you get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 beautiful handmade cherry wood spoons, all with a different expression. Now, these are absolutely beautiful spoons. They're super lightweight and easy to use in the kitchen. They will not scratch any of your pans thanks to the soft surfaces. They're easy to clean, great for stirring, for tossing around some salad or fruit, whatever you use them for. Personally, I didn't even want to use them. I wanted to just hang them on the wall because they're absolutely adorable, but they are also really useful and guaranteed to give you a smile every time you use them. Again, these are absolutely gorgeous. Definitely worth having these spoons or giving them as a gift, but that's just my point of view.